was on your porch. The smoke sank into my skin, so I came inside to be with you. And we talked all night about everything you could imagine, 'cause come the morning I'll be gone. And as our eyes start to close, I turn to you and I'll let you know that I love you. My dad was sick, my mom, she cared for him. Her love, it nursed him back to life. And me, I ran, I couldn't even look at him, for fear I'd have to say goodbye. And as I start to leave, he grabs me by the shoulder and he tells me, what's left to lose? You've done enough. And if you fail, well then you fail, but not to us. These last 3 years, I know they've been hard, but now it's time to get out of the desert and into the sun, even if it's alone. Here I sit in a hotel off a sunset. Oh, my thoughts bounce off of Sam's guitar, and that's the way it's been ever since we were kids. But now we've got something to prove. I can see their eyes, but tell me something, can they see mine? 'Cause what's left to lose? I've done enough. And if I fail, well then I failed, but I gave it a shot. These last 3 years, I know blows across your room, carry cheap perfume onto your dresser. Earring for jewelry and for credit cards, 2 tickets to a film I don't remember. Oh, one day you'll kiss your rabbit's nose, pick up the phone to find I've been turned over. You grab that piece of gold only to find that the smell is taking over. Now all the things you have, they aren't the same as what you hold. I'm now standing in a room that's filled with older folks, and they're pleading, baby, listen. And I scream as loud as anyone, but when asked to make a point, I tend to whisper. And now highways turn to tidal waves, and they're asking me to export all of your insecurities. But that wind that blows across your room is gonna set the sun, send me back to you. Sometimes when sailors are sailing, they think twice about where they're anchoring in. I think I could make better use of my time on land. I drink less, 'cause Lord knows I could use a